In today's video, I will show you how you can create a 301 redirection with Cloudflare. You will see it's really straightforward. You have a lot of resources online, and this is what I have loaded already for you. So that's the official documentation, but don't worry, we go together. You have another one I have found for you if you need, manage the DNS. And then you have a last one about the rule. And I have even found a YouTube video. Okay, it's 1 year old, so it's not exactly the way you can do it by yourself now. It's a little bit different in the UI, but it's really close. So if you wish, you can just check out that one. But I will, don't worry, I will show it to you just right now. So basically, the first thing you have to do, you have to add your domain name in Cloudflare. So you just click first on add a domain. The domain you have registered on Namecheap, Namecheap, not Namecheap, Namecheap, on name.com, on GoDaddy, or any kind of register. You have your domain name. You have to go to edit in the settings, and you need to take the server name. So basically, like we go GoDaddy server names, or Namecheap. In my case, I register mostly all of my domain names in Namecheap. So Namecheap, I don't know why I say Namecheap. Namecheap, perfect, that one is the same. Server names, and you will see the name servers. You will be able to have something like this. They show you exactly where to go, domain list, and then manage, and then there you go to advanced DNS, and you will be able to very easily connect this one with Cloudflare. And so you will mention the Cloudflare DNS. You have just two. So Cloudflare server names, and the Cloudflare server names is, where is it? It's not that one. Just go there. It's funny, I forgot where it was. And so basically you have to connect it to Cloudflare. So to link to Cloudflare. So that's the most important first step to do. Otherwise I need to check in my register. I will go to mine here. So for instance, I will go to my website. That's the one I have just added now. And yeah, basically you have to add these two ones. It will show anyway. So to show, you add that one, mail.ns.cloudflare and west.ns.cloudflare. And then once you have that set up, you will be able to have your domain name linked in the register. And then here, that's the default one. So when you add a domain, it will listen to everything it has recorded. So in my case, I had different params there. For you, basically what you have to do, you just need to add the CNAME and the A type. So CNAME and A type, it's pretty straightforward. I will quickly show you the doc. It's just in here. I will open that one. So the A, it's 192.0.2.1, or you have the proxy, or that's for www, but by default with Cloudflare, you can have the www. So the @ is just for all domains, for everything basically. So you just add the @ 192.0.2.1, And then once that one is added, I also recommend you to add the CNAME, like what I did in my case. So if I go back here, I go back there, I have the CNAME as well, and then I go to DNS, a record, and here I cannot see it anymore, so I have the that's the IP I was mentioning, and then the content is actually the domain name, because in my case my domain name here, for instance, is getretainer.com. I have as the content getretainer.com, and then CNAME, and that's with the www. But basically this one is the most important one. So that's the values. Again, a type. This is the same as doing the @ which is the root, like said previously. So getretainer.com, and then the IP, that's the IP of Cloudflare. So it will be the same for you, 192.0.2.1. And yeah, then you just click save. You have to wait a little bit. Usually it's no more than 1 minute. And then for once that's set up, it means the domain you purchased on Namecheap, on name.com, on GoDaddy, no matter what register it is, it will be linked to Cloudflare now, because you set the Cloudflare server names in your register. Again, like for Namecheap, change name servers, and like you have seen previously, you go to advanced DNS, or actually for name servers you can just go to basic DNS, and then there you just change to the Cloudflare name servers, the ones we have seen previously, and it will show in your account anyway, so don't worry, it will show here, so you know which one to change. And then for the 301 redirection, in my case it does redirect to retainer.io, another domain name, and you go here, so redirect rules, so you go to rules, redirect rules, and there you create one new rule. And here, this is the interesting part, you, no matter what, you say you will use, if you want to redirect the whole domain to a new domain, you choose this one, all incoming requests. All incoming requests that will be redirected to the new domain. So then the URL redirect, the type you will choose. You have actually two options here. You will choose static for you, because dynamic is a expression, basically like a regex. In our case, we don't need that. If we need a static URL, and then you choose here 301, which is the permanent redirection, the status code. And here you don't need this either, so you just leave as it is, and then place at no, that doesn't matter. And this will be done. So I will show you, for me, the one I have done. We go back to redirect URL here, and then that's the one I have saved. You see all incoming requests, and then static, then the other domain 301, and then save. And that's just it. And so you will be able to manage and to handle the redirection on Cloudflare level. It's free. The free plan allows you to do that. You can have more domains, and that's the other one I have. I have different DNS there, so that's a little bit different. It's nice because you also have some kind of stats you can see. Like on my other domain, I could see the amount of visitors, as you could see, which is quite interesting, always handy. And you have also some different kind of cache level. The free plan allows you to to have quite already a lot. So that's always very handy to enable the recommended settings, because it will be even good for your SEO, but also good for, for the speed, for the caching too, for a lot. Here you have to upgrade to a higher plan, except that one, well, that's different, that's cache reserve. And this one, yeah, this one I will keep as it is for now. I will not enable that one, but you have a lot of settings you can enable. And again, as you can see, it's really straightforward. So you just add your domain name, and later, if you wish, you can also you can use the email routing. I think it's available for now over 2 to 3 years. Email routing is really handy because you can just route like all emails you receive to one forward email. So it will forward all emails to another email addresses. So no matter if it's like a contact at, in my case, getwithtenant.com, or my email at getwithtenant.com, if you mention in the rule, if you mention everything, it will forward all the emails, all the upcoming emails. It will listen to everything to a specific email. So that's also for free, and you can easily set up, or you can mention a specific email here. And so you see the destination, you can use a destination to forward your email to you. And after, you can easily answer to your email. Actually, I did an article about it. If you are interested, it's on my dev.to profile here. How to send emails using Gmail SMTP with Cloudflare email routing. So that will be ready for you. And yeah, it's actually very handy. Yeah, so I will reply to him after. But yeah, if you would like to go further, and that way you can easily reply to your emails using an alias, which is the alias of the domain you have added in Cloudflare. That's a little bit more advanced, but it's not too complicated. If you follow step by steps, you will see it will be quite straightforward as well. This video is only about the redirection you can do, so I will just stop here. But Cloudflare is just amazing. You can do so much with it, and I wish you a happy Cloudflare day, and see you in another video. Bye bye.